Hey, Moosehead. Hope everybody's doing well. So we're going to do a little Quizlet about cells. So it looks like we have some ads here. Try not to get distracted by the ads. I know it can be hard, but we're going to just try to stay focused on what it is we're going to do. Let me see, maybe I can move this up over that ad. Let's see. Maybe I can't. That's okay. All right. Anyway, we're going to move through this starting with, there it is moving. My computer is very slow right now. Moving with flashcards, or starting with flashcards rather. And this is just getting started, getting familiar with the vocabulary. You guys have done this before. Once you go through the flashcards, and boy, that guy looks fit. Don't get distracted. Like I said, going through the definitions and just getting used to the definitions. And then every once in a while, you can jump down here and try this matching game, which is kind of fun. You guys have probably done this, but you can match the definitions. Chloroplasts captures energy from sunlight. Prokaryote is a single-celled organism. So you can have some fun with that. Then come back up and work on the learn section. Let's see, this is like a practice quiz. I don't know what happened to the video screen. But anyway, so jelly-like fluid, cytoplasm, multicellular organism made up of cells that contain their DNA in the nucleus is a eukaryote. And you get the idea. Right section. It's going to have you type the answer. Thin, flexible barrier around a cell regulates what enters. Move that over. And leaves the cell. That would be a cell membrane. Yes. And then the spell section. Let's see what that's like. Powerhouse of the cell. That's mitochondria.
DNA.
Type what you hear. DNA. That's really hard, guys. I hope you all get that one right. All right.
Cytoplasm.
Anyway, so then going back to, once you finish that and you've done some of these games, then you're going to do the test. And I won't do the whole test, but powerhouse and cells, they reproduce. Go through your test, and I won't do the whole thing, but when you're done, you're going to click print test here. And then you should see your test here, and then go to more settings, and then say open PDF in preview. And this will be your test. And what you can do, you don't have to write your name here. You can just write your name up here. So if I double click on that, it'll say test-cells Quizlet.pdf. Let's put your name right at the beginning. So I'll say Mr. Farrell, test-cells Quizlet, boom. And where am I going to save that? On my desktop. You may have a science folder you can put it in. And then that file, let's see if I can find it, is right here. And that is the file that you will attach or add in Google Classroom. Okay? So there you have it. Have fun, guys.